Hey, hello guys. Today I just really wanted to show you a quick package that I received. So I'm just gonna block my address. But this is the package that my first PR package that I have ever received, and this is from Manta Sleep, and it's supposed to be very good. The one I requested for was the as you can see, is the Manta Mask Sleep Sound. This one's got built-in Bluetooth, and it's supposed to be helpful sleeper, light sleeper like myself, or people that need like some kind of like soothing sound when they fall asleep. So let me just tell you a little bit about Manta Sleep. Is a company, I believe they're American, and the project they work is about really helping light sleeper like myself and other light sleeper to have better night sleep. Unfortunately, people like us really wake up at any small noise. We wake up, or we also struggle to stay asleep. And then we probably only, like, if talking about me, I'll probably only get about 4 hours sleep. 4 hours if I'm lucky, 5 pushing it. But the one I got, it's the, as I said, the Manta Sleep Max Sound, because I usually have like thunderstorm, some kind of rain sound to help me fall asleep, or sometimes I use the app Calm, and I listen to some like kind of story to help me fall asleep. Don't quote me, but I don't think that this particular mask that I have, it's available in the UK, although it might be. But if not, you can always buy it from the American website, and then they always can send it to the UK. This was ordered for me, I think, a few days ago, but it was very quick. I received it like within a couple of days, really. So it was very good delivery. I will link the website down below or somewhere up here, tag them. But I'm so really excited to like use this, and I'm gonna open it now with you guys, so you guys can actually see how to use it, and if it's good or not, then I'll share about the quality as well. Okay guys, so open the box. So this is the mask. This is what the mask looks like. On the inside it's got the strap that you put over your eyes. I think it's quite comfortable actually. Very comfortable actually, I should say. So yeah, this is what the mask looks like. It's quite big, but very light, extremely light, which is good, because you don't want a heavy mask. It's not gonna help you sleep if you've got like weight over your eyes. But I've got some instruction on the inside. I've got 2 stickers, and one is the logo, and this is just like another sticker that says proudly Nap Pro, or Pro Nap I should say. And then they have this bag. So this is the bag, I guess, where you can put your mask in, especially if you're traveling or going on holiday. Obviously you're not going to carry the entire box, you just want to carry the mask, so you can put in this bag, which is quite nice and handy. And then you have the charger, and you have this strap, the overhead strap, I think. Okay, so here you've got the where you switch the mask on, and then you've got the plus and minus button to adjust the volume of the sound. And here you've got where you can adjust the speaker, so the inside speaker, you can adjust it so it's closer to your ear. Same on the other side. So you've got 2 speakers on each side, yeah. And also, guys, the eye bits on the inside of the mask are adjustable, so you can take it off and adjust it to whatever, like it fits your eye position. So that's good and great. So yeah guys, I don't know what else. Definitely I'm going to try it tonight, but before I try it, I am going to charge it and read the instruction properly, because I don't want to like break it. But yeah, so that's it really guys. Just wanted to say a massive thank you to Manta Sleep for sending me my first PR product, which I love, and I'm really glad that I've received it because I usually sleep with a sleep mask anyway. So yeah, definitely thank you so much for sending me the mask. I am gonna love it. I'm definitely gonna be listening to my sleep story while I sleep with this. Also, just before I finish, I just wanted to let all the ladies that were in the lash extension, I've got like really long lashes, and always worry that obviously when you sleep with a normal sleep mask they get squashed and ruined. You guys have no worry with this, because wearing this, I'll just show you real quick, your eyelash doesn't actually make contact with the end of this, so it's safe. Yeah, your eyelash will be safe, your extension will be safe, which is really good. So yeah, thank you so much, Manta Sleep, for gifting me with this product. I love it, seriously I love it, and can't wait to try it on today. And again, thank you, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.